All right, so it's day 4 here at the airport. 4 days after my DESARDA no mesh hernia procedure. I would highly recommend, if you do fly in like I did, to get the airport assistance, wheelchair assistance, because there's no point injuring yourself trying to carry a heavy bag right before you get on your flight to go out of town. So I did have the assistance to my gate. I have the assistance onto the plane and once I land. But other than that, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling good. I'm actually feeling pretty strong. And just looking forward to continuing my healing journey. I'll make sure to update you guys when I land, let you know how the flight was once I get home, and keep you posted from there. Home, sweet home. Told you guys I'd get back to you once I got back into town, and here I am. Home, finally. Had my surgery on Friday. Today is now Tuesday. As you can see, I'm walking around, feeling pretty darn good for what it's worth. I don't have full mobility, but to give you an idea of how I'm getting around, you can see I can walk fine, can lift my legs up fine, got a little motion to jump up, can sit down, stand up, no issues. My scar, still healing. It's gonna be healing for a while, but for the most part, Superman is back. I think it's only gonna get better from here. One thing I will continue to do, as I said, is eat right. I won't start exercising too soon. I'm gonna take it nice and slow, day by day. This is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, day 4, and I'm feeling pretty good. I don't know if this is the average recovery for every individual, but in my case, it's been a good one so far. Hope these videos have been helpful. Like I said, I will get back to you more as I progress once I hit the 1 week mark, but I just thought it was important for people to see how you can recover from the DESARDA no mesh hernia technique. It's important for people to know the dangers of getting the mesh implant into their body and know that there are other options out there. Well, there's another option out there which uses your own muscle tissue to repair you. So far, I still have some pain and some numbness in this area. That's expected to go away over time, and I'll keep you updated. But once again, thank you for tuning in, and be on the lookout for some videos highlighting some good foods to eat, maybe some good exercises to do as you begin your recovery journey. If you're still hesitant about the procedure, like I said, leave a comment. I'll make sure to reply. Subscribe, like, if this content has been useful for you. And thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you guys soon.